All right, folks, welcome to Red Pill Markets. Today is March 17th, 2020. We're looking at the market close. Today, the Fed put in $1 trillion to help out the markets between the banks and other bailouts. They put in $1 trillion today. They put in $1 trillion yesterday, I think. They're going to put in $1 trillion each day the rest of this week. The citizens also get a check. It should be coming out maybe in the next 2 or 3 weeks. I forget how much it is, though, to try to help out. That's some of the good news. The markets like what they heard. So as long as nothing too crazy comes out, and as long as oil stabilizes, the market should be heading back up at least the second half of the year. I still think it's going to take a beating going into the summer, but coming into the fall, it should be at least headed back up. So those of you in the group, I did send you some information that I ran across today. So now you know I'm not completely crazy. So just to give you a little hint, sometimes I know things, but I don't know the reason why I know them. But if I'm passionate about it, jump on board. Especially if I tell you different things that I'm seeing and how people can benefit from them. Yeah, try to jump on board those. 1 second here. One second. Okay. Yeah, so if you ever hear me talking about something that sounds crazy, but I'm pretty passionate about it and I keep talking about it, even if I don't know why I'm talking about it, like 100% for sure, if I show you evidence, research it yourself and jump on board. I don't really get excited that often. So if it's something that I'm really excited about and passionate about, try to jump on board that. So oil, I think oil still fell today. I'm starting to think it's going to stabilize here in a minute. We're keeping our eye out on it because I still think we have another, well, from these levels, we might have another 15% to drop. So we're still just keeping an eye out. I need the markets to only go up a little bit at a time. So less than 1.5% per day. I could call that stable. Yeah. So once it starts going up that little bit per day and it stops all this 5 and 6 and 10 and 15% up and down, we can kind of consider the markets stable and start making some positions to the long side. Until then, we're still in 100% putting them stable value. I'm not going to change that for now because any little things happen. The only reason the markets are going up is because, one, oil is starting to stabilize. 2, a lot of stimulus is being added to the markets. So if you start removing the stimulus, and basically it's going to have to continue for a long time for the markets to get comfortable again and start going up. So if you start removing that stimulus or cutting some of it back, or if oil keeps dropping, and if the U.S. Treasury yields keep lowering, then there's going to be continued issues in the market. I'm going to keep it nice and short today. You can see Dow was up 5%, S&P 500 up 6%, NASDAQ up 6.25%. Small caps, remember we watch small caps. Small caps is up 9%. So it's making up a little bit compared to the other ones. We'll look at tomorrow. I won't be surprised if tomorrow is the same as today. I have a feeling it might be a red day, not a deep red day, but a red day. And then we might stabilize more into Thursday and Friday. We might. It just all depends. I'm watching it. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Later.